The small shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Clarus. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi Swearers, my name is Manasa Part-I. I am studying 7th class. I am from Suddapalli, Nizamabad district. Okay friends, let us see what is this friends. Yes, this is a paper. Observe here friends, I am folding this paper like this and opening this paper. Friends, here what you observe? Yes, this paper is divided into 2 equal parts. Here then each part is called as a fraction. Observe here friends, when an object is divided into number of Observe here friends, when an object is divided into number of equal parts, then each part is called as a fraction. Here, friends, see here, when an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called as a fraction. Here the fraction is 3 by 4. Here 3 is numerator, 4 is denominator. Friends, again I am folding this paper like this and opening this paper. Friends, here what you observe? Yes, this paper is divided into 4 equal parts. Friends, here also each part is called as a fraction. Friends, here the fraction is 1 by 4. Friends, you know, in 1 by 4 we have 3 parts that are first one is numerator. Friends, what is numerator? Yes, numerator is upper part of the fraction is called numerator and it is to be the number of shaded parts and it is called numerator. Here one is called numerator. Next one is denominator. Friends, what is denominator? Yes, denominator is lower part of the fraction is called denominator and it is number of equal parts is called denominator. Here 4 is called denominator. Friends, another one is this. Friends, what is this symbol? Yes, this symbol is called divided by. So friends, you know, this divided by symbol is also called as vinculum. So here this symbol is called vinculum. Friends, observe here, in this circle we divided into 4 equal parts like this. Here also each part is called 1 by 4. Friends, see here for each part is called 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in this square the parts is divided into 4 equal parts. Here the fraction is 1 by 4 and another example is circle. Friends, in this circle also divided into 8 parts. Here each part is called as 1 by 8. Friends, observe here, in this circle again I am divided into divided into it 8 parts. Here also each part is called 1 by 8. Friends, now we are discussing about how to convert a fraction into decimal. Friends, now we are discussing about how to convert a fraction into decimal. Friends, how to convert a fraction into decimal? Yes. Friends, for example 1 by 4. That means 1 divided with 4. Friends, now can't divide this division. So here we write the 0 beside 1. It becomes 10. And here also we write the 0 and point. Friends, here how many times? Yes. 2 times there. 4 2s are 8. Here is the remainder is 2. Friends, now can't able to divide 1 with 4 with 2. So here we write the 0. And friends, here how many times? Yes. 5 times there. 4 5s are 20. Here is the remainder is 0. Now the division is completed. Friends, you know in division we have 4 parts that are here 4 is called divisor, 10 is called dividend, 0.25 is called quotient, here 0 is called remainder. Friends, observe these all numbers. Which one is different? Yes, 2.5 is different. Friends, you know in 2.5 here point is called decimal point. Friends, for example two decimals 1.2, 2.2, 0.25, 0.62. Friends, next here 1 by 4 is converted into 0.25. It is how to convert a fraction into decimal. Friends, for examples 0.25, 0.2, 0.5, etc. Friends, these are called decimal numbers. Friends, now we are discussing about how to convert a fraction into decimal. Friends, you know already we learned in above example the fraction is 1 by 4, the decimal is 0.25. It is called how to convert a fraction into decimal. Friends, again we take one more example. For example 3.26. Friends, just we can write it 3 plus, and friends, after decimal point how many numbers are there? Yes, 2 numbers. That number is reduced 100. So we can write it as 26 by 100. Friends, this is called how to convert a decimal into fraction. Friends, you know in a decimal we have 2 parts that are, for example 236.528. Friends, here middle point is decimal point. Here after decimal point numbers are called fractional part, and before decimal point numbers are called integer part. These are integer part. These are fractional part. Friends, now we are discussing about, friends, for example 3 by 4. Friends, here 3 by 4 is red color, 1 by 4 is blue color. Friends, here 3 are blue to 1 is red. Friends, just we can write it as 4, 3 plus 1. Next, friends, 3 by 4 is blue color too, 1 by 4 is red. Friends, now this compare this. 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4. Friends, what is this? Yes, this is a fraction. Friends, what is meant by fraction? Yes, fraction means comparing two quantities. Friends, for example, A is to B. Friends, here A is called antecedent, B is called consequent. Friends, for example, in our class we have a total number of strength are 40. In 40 30 members are girls, 10 members are boys. Friends, how to compare this? Yes, 30 is to 10. Friends, one more example. In our exams, in maths, I scored 90 marks. I scored 90 marks out of 100. That means 90 is to 100. Friends, this is also one fraction. Friends, how to compare this? Yes, 90 is to 100. This is called how to compare fraction into ratio. Friends, you know what? Friends, you know what? Friends, you know relation. Friends, you know in relation. Friends, now definition of fraction. Friends, a fraction with an unright denominator of 10 indicated by a decimal point. The decimal comes from the Latin word decim, means 10. Friends, for example, here the decimal notation. Friends, here 9 is there, thousands place, 8 is there. After decimal point part or fractional part. So, here 3 is there in 10th place, 4 is there in 100th place, 100th place, 1 is there in 10,000th place, 1 is there in 1000th place, 7 is there in 10,000th place. Friends, before decimal points, 9 is there 1's place, 8 is there 10's place, 6 is there 100's place, 5 is there 1000's place. So, friends, this is called decimal notation. Friends, now converted a fraction to a decimal. Divide the numerator of the fraction by the denominator. For example, 4 by 9 here is equals to 0.444. The round answer is 4 by 9 is equals to 0.4. Friends, now turn fraction into decimal. Divide the numerator top number by the denominator bottom number. If you get a remainder, put a decimal and a 0. Keep dividing, keep adding zeros and dividing until you no longer have a remainder. Friends, see here fraction. When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, here each part is called as a fraction. Here the fraction is 3 by 4. Here 3 is called numerator, 4 is the denominator. Next, decimal definition. A fraction is with an unwritten denominator of 10 indicated by a decimal point. Here the decimal is 45.6. Here middle point is called decimal point. And ratio. A ratio is the comparison of two or more numbers. Here the ratio is 2 is to 3. Here 2 is called antecedent, 3 is called consequent. Friends, now convert in a fraction into decimal. Divide the numerator of the fraction by the denominator. For example, 4 by 9 is equals to 0.444. Round the answer is 4 by 9 is equals to 0.4. Friends, here for example 0.26. Friends, how to convert into fraction? Here after decimal points, how many numbers are there? 2. Then when the number is over 100 reduced, so we can write it as 26 by 100. Now converted a decimal into fraction. Count the decimal place of the decimal starting from the decimal point. If there is one decimal place the number over 10 and reduce. If there are two decimal places, the number over 100 reduce. If there are third decimals, place the number over 1000 and reduce, etc. For example, example 1, 0.7 is equals to 7 by 10 and 0.32 is equals to 32 by 100, 1.259 is equals to 1259 by 1000. Friends, see here. Friends, what is this? Yes, this is a wall clock. This is a wall clock. Friends, see here. Here, how many parts is dividing? Yes, 2 parts. So each part is called 1 by 2. And again, I am return this. Friends, here, what is your fraction? Yes, 1 by 4. Here, the dividing 4 parts. So this is called 1 by 4, and this is called also 1 by 4, and this is called also 1 by 4, and this is called also 1 by 4. Friends, in this wall clock, how many parts are there? Yes, 12 parts. Here the fraction is 1 by 12. Here the fraction is 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10 by 12, 11 by 12, 12 by 12. This is called a how to present in wall clock fractions. Friends, see here, friends, now we are discussing about the difference between fraction and ratio. Friends, in ratio, we can be written as numerator and the denominator. Numerator and the denominator. In the fraction also can be written as numerator and the denominator. Friends, in ratio only we have different parts. In fraction we have only denominator is divided into some equal parts is all. Friends, a ratio is not added and subtract, but fraction is added and subtract. This is the difference between fraction and ratio. Friends, see here fraction to decimal. Friends, for example, fraction is 1 by 2. Here the 1 by 2 is converted into decimal 0.5. Next, decimal to fraction. Here decimal is 0.5. The decimal is converted into 5 by 10 or 1 by 2. Fraction to ratio. Fraction is equals to 1 by 3. Ratio is equals to 1:3. Ratio is equals to 1:3. Fraction is equals to 1 by 3. Now decimal to ratio. Decimal is equals to 1:5. 1.5. Fraction is equals to 15 by 10 is equals to 30 by 3 by 2. Here ratio is equals to 3:2. Ratio is equals to 3:2. Fraction is equals to 3 by 2. Here the decimal is equals to 1.5. Friends, now we can't directly convert into ratio into decimal. Friends, the ratio is 1:2. Here first we converted into fraction, that are 1 by 2. Friends, this is a fraction. Now it converted into decimal by the division. Friends, now we can't divide, now can't able to divide this division. So here we write the 0, it becomes 10, and Here also we write the 0 and point. Friends, here how many times? Yes, 5 times they are 5, 10, 5, 2, 5 are 10. Here is the remainder is 0. Here decimal number is 0.5. This is called how to convert a ratio into fraction. Decimal. Friends, now we convert. Friends, similarly ratio also converted into decimal. Friends, for example, 2 is to 1. Friends, first we converted into fraction 2 by 1. Friends, here how to convert into decimal? Yes, by the division. One is to 2. Here we converted into 2, 1. Here also we can't able to divide this division. So here we write the 0 and here also here we put 1 point. Friends, here how many times? Yes, 5 times. Sorry friends, here 1 by 2. Here we can write it as here we write 0 and here also we put 1 point here. Friends, here how many times? Yes, 5 times. 2 5s are 10. Here is the remainder is 0. Here the decimal number is 0.2, 0.5, 0.5. Friends, for examples, we have 4 types of chocolates. Friends, I have only 1 chocolate. Friends, do you like chocolate? Oh, it's very tasty, na? Friends, but I have only 1 chocolate, but here they are my friend and me. Friends, here now how to share this? Yes, dividing equal parts by the shading. One part is for me and another part is my friend. Friends, here also the fraction is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now convert a decimal to a fraction. Count the decimal places of the decimal starting from the decimal point. If there is 1 decimal place, place the number over 10 and reduce. If there are 2 decimal places, place the number over 100 and reduce. If there are 3 decimal places, place the number over 1000 and reduce, etc. Turn a decimal to fraction. Example 1. Convert 0.7. 0.7 is equals to 7 by 10. Now example 2. Converted into 0.32. 0.32 is equals to 32 by 100 is equals to 16 by 50, 8 by 25. Translation. Friends, for example, we take the circle. In this circle divided into 4 equal parts, but here 3 is blue color, 1 is red color. Friends, now this compare. Friends, how to compare this? Yes, here 3 by 4 is red is 2, 1 by 4 is blue. Friends, here what is this? Yes, this is a fraction. Friends, what is this is a whole to part fraction. Friends, here Friends, for example, one is to two. Friends, for example, 1:2. Friends, how to convert into decimal? Is first we convert into fraction 1/2. Now division this. 2 divide with 1. Friends, here now we can't able to divide this division. So here we write the 0, it becomes 10, and here also we write the 0 and we put 1 point. Friends, here how many times? Is here 5 times. 2 5s are 10. Here the remainder is 0. Friends, here, friends, you know, in this division parts is here 2 is called divisor, 10 is called dividend, 0.5 is called quotient, 0 is called remainder. Friends, in these all numbers, which is the difference? Is 0.5 is different. Friends, these type of numbers are called decimal numbers. Friends, in 1.5, in 1.5, point is called decimal point. Decimal points. Friends, for example, to decimal 0.2, 0.5, 0.25, etc. Friends, this is a whole part. I divided into these two equal parts. Friends, here the fraction is 1/2. 1/2. This is also one fraction. Friends, see here. Friends, see here. Here the total squares are 100. Here we divided into some equal parts that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here all these 100 squares we divided into 19 parts. So here the ratio is 100 into 90, 19 into 100, and here the fraction is 19 by 100. Friends, both represent a part. Now relation between fraction and decimal, both represent a part of a whole. A fraction is based on the number into which the whole is divided. The denominator is the numerator, the top is the part, the denominator, the bottom is the whole. A decimal is based on the number is terms of tens, hundreds, here tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Friends, see here one part is 1/8 and we join this another part. Here the 2.8 and we joined another part. Here the 3/8 and another part 3/4 and another part 4/8. Friends, 3/8. Friends, observe here. Here we divided into two equal parts like these and like this. And friends, in this wall clock we divided into 4 equal parts like these. Friends, we divided into like this. Here the fraction is 1/4. Friends, see here fraction. Here the fraction is 1/2. Decimal is 0.5. Ratio is 1:2. Friends, here fraction converted into decimal, decimal converted into fraction. Now ratio converted into fraction, fraction converted into ratio. But we can't directly convert it into decimal into fraction. ratio into decimal. So, for example, So, for example, 2:5. Friends, how to convert it into decimal? Yes, first we converted into fraction 2/5 and now divide this. Friends, now can't divide this division. So, here we write 0, it becomes 20 and here also we write 0 and we put 1 point. Friends, here how many times? Yes, 4 times. There 5 4s are 20. Here is the remainder is 0. Here the decimal number is 0.4. In this decimal number, again how to convert it into fraction? Yes. Here after decimal point how many numbers are there? Yes, 1 number. So, then the number is reduced 10. So, we can write it as 10/4/10. Friends, this is called how to convert a ratio into decimal. Here the ratio is 2:5. Here the decimal is 0.5. Friends, now we discuss. Hello? Hello, Swero. Friends, now we are discussing about how to convert decimal into ratio. For example, 2.5. First we convert into fraction. Friends, after decimal point how many numbers are there? Yes, 1 number. Then the number is reduced 10. So, we can write it as 10/5/10. Now, divide with 10 with 5. Friends, now can't able to divide. Now we can't able to divide 10 with 5. So, here we write 0 and here also we write 0 and we put 1 point. Friends, here how many times? Yes, 5 times. They are 10 5s are 50. Here is the remainder is 0. Here is the remainder is 0. Here the decimal number is 0.5.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Swero.
Hi, Swero. My name is Shailaja.
What is your doubt, Swero?
Why we call upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator?
Friends, numerator is how many shaded. Friends, for example, we take one circle and we divide it into 4 equal parts. Here we divide into 1. Here we shade 2 parts. Here 3 parts. Here the fraction is 1/3. Friends, here whole part is 1 and shaded parts is 3. That's why we call it as upper part is numerator, lower part is denominator. Hello, Swero.
Hello.
What is your doubt, Swero?
I am Subhash from Rangareddy district.
Okay, Swero, what is your doubt?
What is the exact difference between fraction and decimal?
What, Swero?
What is the exact difference between fraction and decimal?
What, Swero? Tell correctly. Friends, for example, Friends, for example, here 3 is red color, 2 is blue color. Here the red is to yellow, so it is 3 is to 2. Again I am taking 3 is yellow, 1 is red. Here yellow is to red, here is the ratio is 3 is to 1. Again I am taking 5 is red, 3 is yellow. Here red is to yellow, so 5 is to 3. Friends, these are called ratios. Friends, you know in ratio. Hello, Swero.
Hello, sir.
What is your doubt?
In fraction 0.5 by 1 by 3, what is the value, sir?
What, Swero?
0.5
Okay.
by
0.5.
by 1.1 by 3.
Repeat the question, Swero.
0.5
0.5
by
by
1 by 3.
1 by
3. What is value?
what is?
Value.
I don't know, Swero. Friends, see here this mind map. Here the fraction is 1 by 2, decimal is 0.5. Friends, here fraction is converted into decimal, decimal also converted into fraction. Here the fraction is 1 by 2, the ratio is 1:2. Friends, here fraction is converted into ratio, ratio also converted into fraction, but decimal is not converted into ratio, ratio also directly not converted into decimal. Friends, for example, 1 by 2. Friends, how to convert into ratio? Yes, 1 is to 2. Here 1 is called antecedent, 2 is called consequent. Hello, Swero. Hello, what is your doubt?
Hi, Vanilla from Jingudam, sir.
Okay, Swero.
Can you write the expanded form of a number?
What, Swero?
Can you write the expanded form of a number?
Swero, tell your question clearly.
Can you write the expanded form of a number?
Swero, reduce your volume. Friends, here real life examples of fractions. Fractions are used in real life in many different ways. Cooking, constructions, science, industries. Friends, for example, in our class we have 20 benches. How to convert it into fraction? Yes, 1 by 20. So, here one class had 20 benches. Friends, again it converted into ratio 1:20. And friends, this 1:20, how to convert it into decimal? Yes, now convert this fraction 1 by 20. Now convert it. Now convert it. Friends, here the total parts are 100 and here shaded parts are 19. So, we can write it as 19 is to 100. 19 is to 100. This is a ratio. Thank you, beloved my secretary sir and my principal madam. Thank you, my guide teacher. Thank you, sir.